today's request to fix that. Well, I'll tell you what, we're already on scene. Let's take a look. There it is. They already put the sign back up, but the beacon and the solar panel need to be replaced. Let's get right to it. I've already got my traffic control set up. Got my bucket set up. I've got a box of equipment in there. Let's put this phone right here. Click. All right. There's something on my mind that I can't quite put my finger on. Oh. I just need to make sure I got my blade, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be in my bag. There it is. Got my blade. I think all we're really going to need today, though, is we're going to need the Mega Pro tamper-proof multi-tool. We're going to need crescent wrench. I got my Milwaukee 12-inch with my 3M tool lanyard, and I've also got my impact driver, my Milwaukee M18 fuel, and I've got my Klein 7-in-1 flip socket. Let's get the old equipment down, and then we'll get this new equipment up. Let's see, this person who lives here is about to try and drive out. They got plenty of space, but watch, they're going to complain that they don't. But they will have plenty of space to drive if they just do it. Anyways, there's our beacon. There's our solar panel. And we should have all the hardware we need already up there. Let's do it. Let's buckle up for safety. So right here, safety tip for using a bucket truck. I need to swing this bucket out a little bit. And when I do that, that boom is going to swing out into the road. So I need to be mindful that I'm not going to get hit by a car. Let's try this crazy idea real quick. See what happens if we flip it on. Well, nothing, because I'm pretty sure they got the wrong one plugged in. Even if it were working, I don't think it'd be working. If that makes any sense. Okay, let's see. I can swing out about that much right there without crossing over the threshold. Hopefully that's enough. Okay, let's turn that off. Let's get this taken off. I am kind of surprised that they put this back up. Must have broke away just fine. Nah, man, they actually got a brand new pole. They put everything back the way they thought it was supposed to go. Yeah, I wasn't even connected. This big old battery flopping around in there. Yeah, let's get this thing replaced. Let's not mess around with it. Let's get that off. Well, I'd really hate to have to go down there and pick this tool up again. Same with this one here. Wrong one. Stab my leg on this stupid corner. Alright, let's see. Just fine. That hurt, man. Get holy. I don't know why. I want to do the lock one on top. We all have our preferences, I guess. Let's see if we can get this finished up through the top with no problems here. Yeah, sweet. This out of the way. Let's get that thing secure. Extension here we do not need. Brand new solar panel. Let's raise it up just a bit. In fact, let's actually tilt it forward. Let's go up. We can lean this over there, plug it in. Click. Tyler proof, hard to mess up, but not impossible. Go. Okay. Looks good just like that. I'm not going to bother with the compass. Hold on now. There we go. Now it's on. Right. That's installed. It's blinking. That's the job done. Ta-da. Let's get out of here. Yeah, I wonder if it still works. Bet you it will still generate voltage. make sure we turn that off. Nice. Let's get out of here. Excuse me. Job done.